In this video, we are going to create our first Java program. So first of all, we click on Eclipse IDE to start. On clicking Eclipse IDE, Eclipse IDE launcher appears in front of you. It asks you to select Workspace. Workspace is a place where you are going to save your current project files and directories. So you can choose a default location or a location of your choice. So right now I am selecting a default location and click on launch. Now I am in Eclipse Workspace and here I am going to create my first Java program. In order to create Java program, I have need to create a Java project. So first of all, I will go to the file and click on new to create my Java project. So say I will give the name of my project as example and click on next. And then I click on finish. Now you can see a project name example appears in Package Explorer of my workspace. Now I click on project example in Explorer. I click here and you can see a folder SRC is visible to me, and this is a folder in which in future I am going to save my Java classes, files or directories. In order to save my Java files or directory, I have to create a package. So I right click on SRC, click on new and create a package here. It asks me to give a name to the package, so I will give demo as the name of the package, preferably starting with lower cases and click on finish. You can see a package is visible in SRC. What exactly the package is and why we need it? Package is exactly a folder or directory inside which in future I am going to save my Java files. So in order to save my Java files, I need a package. Now, next step is to create my first Java program. So I right click on my demo and click on new to select a class here. So in order to write my first program in Java, I need to create a class, a Java class. Java class is exactly a container inside which I am going to write my Java code. So I have to give this class a particular name. So I will give a name as hello world, name of a class. Then as you know that class is a container, and as you know that if we are going to write some line in a container, so line should be start from some point. So the starting point or starting line of this class is public static void main string args, so that whenever Java compiler goes inside a class name hello world, it starts execution from the public static void main string args, and I click on finish. You can see that on right hand side I have a code in which the declaration is that this class hello world lies inside a package name demo, whose name is public class hello world, that is this class is public, and its line started with public static void main string asks that whatever line I am going, whatever code I am going to write inside this class hello world start from a line public static void main string asks, and here I will print a statement system.out.println, a printing statement in a Java, and I will print hello world. And now it comes a time to save this file. In order to save this file, I will use Control S. You also mark something. This file is saved as hello world.java in Eclipse. Eclipse is an editor which is smart enough to save the file as the name of my classes. It is rule of Java that Java file is saved with the name of class which is declared as a public followed by extension .java. So here my class name is hello world. So my Eclipse is smart enough, so it used the name of class hello world followed by extension .java. So whenever you are going to create any class which is declared as a public, your Java file will be saved using the class name followed by .java extension. Now it comes time to run the program. I right click on hello world.java, then click on run as Java application. You can see my application is running and in console hello world is being get printed. So in this way we have created our first Java program. Thank you.